Hello, it's Digital Tech Life with another unboxing. This time it is the Canon EF 100mm macro lens USM with a constant minimum aperture of 2.8, or should I say maximum aperture, of a lens I bought yesterday. I'm just unboxing it for your pleasure. The usual rubbish paper. EF lens CD. I'm not sure what comes on that. And what you've all come to see is the lens. Cost £430. Probably have to times that by 1.6 to get the US dollar conversion. And that's what £430 gets you. I just compare it to in size to the 55 to 250 Canon. It's a 58mm. Minimum focus and distance is 31 or 0.31 meters. So that's the nearest you can get to your subject when you're recording in macro or taking pictures in macro. I'll switch to another camera so you can see some close-up pictures. So I've switched to my handheld Kodak so you can get a nice close-up look at the new camera, new lens I should say. I've taken some, well, about a few pictures with it, probably half a dozen, and it is a very nice lens. The bokeh on it is really nice and smooth at 2.8, made in Japan. There you see 58mm, and a Canon macro lens. So if you can see this part here, so that's the MFD or minimum focus distance of 0.31. As you can see, it's an ultrasonic motor. There it is on the Canon 550. The best thing I like about this lens, well, from the little I've used it, is the actual motor is virtually silent when it's focusing. And let's compare the sound of the Canon 100mm macro compared to my Tamron 17 to 50mm. It's very noisy. Here is the Canon 55 to 250mm. Let's see the focusing. Helps if I turn it on first. Again, very noisy. And let's compare the sound to the Canon 50mm 1.4. Motor's virtually silent, but you can hear the sound of the movement of the actual lens. And compare the sound of the motor on the 100mm macro. Very quiet.